welcome to Mrs. G's Sewing Space. I'm glad you're able to join me today. What you can see right here is I'm showing you a little abstract needle felting artwork I did as I was fooling around and trying to figure out how to needle felt. As you can see, this video is all about that. And this particular video is going to talk about supplies and some of the things that I have made. Now, what you're looking at right now, that little chef bear was made by my daughter, and this current little bunny rabbit was made by me, and the whale, there he is, it was also made by me. Now, these three items were actually made from a kit that I got from my local Japanese dollar store called Daiso. Thankfully, we have a Daiso nearby, which is awesome, which is what started me on the whole needle felting thing anyways. I had seen the videos from Mariah Elizabeth and a couple of other people out there, Chloe Rosart, and there was somebody else, and I don't remember who, but there was another person out there that I saw that was doing the needle felting, and I thought that would be fun. Once I saw the little kits, I just took off from there. So what you're currently looking at is a batch of loose felt that I had purchased separately from the kit that I have purchased, so that I would have plenty of felt and plenty of colors to play with for whatever it is that I wanted to do. Now, this is the kit, and I believe this is the same kit that Mariah Elizabeth purchased. I'm not positive. I didn't click on her link. I just went on to Amazon to Google it, or to Amazon it, I guess. And I will put the link of the kit that I purchased downstairs in the box below, so that you can, if you are interested, purchase the kit as well. Now, their felt is a little smaller. They do give you quite a bit of felt there, as you can see, but the amount that they give you in each of those little bags is a little less. What you see here are stencils, which I thought was kind of cool. When I was researching for needle felting, I thought that the stencils were pretty nifty and it could be pretty useful. I'm not sure how I feel about those stencils at this point, now that I've played with them some and that I've had a chance to just fiddle with them and play with them. I'm like, I'm not sure how I feel about this. So you get a wide variety of stencils. As you can see, you got butterflies and doggy paws, and what is this one? Little Scotty dogs, and I think squirrels. This one has, you know, some basic geometric shapes. Well, as soon as I get done picking out the stuff that wasn't come out, circles and teardrops and leaf shapes and the alphabet and numbers, and I think we're going into our florals. So there's a tree and flowers and more flowers, and I saw a 3-leaf clover there. And then this last one has some clouds and stars and hearts and things like that. So the stencils are really cute, and I'll show you how to work them in the next video. But, you know, now that after I've worked them, I'm like, I'm not sure how I feel about the actual stencils. I guess they could be cute, maybe. I don't know. You see those big old scissors? My husband bought me those. He loves to support me by buying me big scissors. This packet is 3 different needles. So the long needles that you would use to actually needle felt with comes in this particular kit in 3 different sizes. So there is plenty of needles here for you to work with. And then we have the little kit itself. So this is all your findings and things. And then you're also provided a pad to be able to stab into, because, you know, you don't want to stab into your fingers or a hard surface or anything like that. So for this, I'm showing you all the individual findings and things that came in that little kit. So these are eyeballs. These little, they're not beads, but they are eyeball findings. So you get 3 different sizes of eyeball findings. And so I guess that wasn't even the smallest. So I think that one's the smallest, and the first one is like a medium size. And I believe this one is a larger eyeball for bigger projects. Yeah, that's quite a bit bigger for all of that. So there you go, 3 eyeballs for your little dolls that you want to make, or keychains. I have chains on the little doodads that I made, my bunny rabbit and whale. These are, I want to say noses. I believe they're the same thing, and those are like the charm chains so that you can hook it onto your cell phone. Now that's a nose because it has a slightly triangular shape. That's a nose. So, and of course you get tweezers because, you know, sometimes you need tweezers. Actually, I use those for something else. What do I use those for? I use those for, oh, doing miniatures. I stole those tweezers out from this kit to use in another miniature kit that I had. So we get snips because you do need a snip, and I like these. These are leather gloves for your fingers. So when you are working with a needle, you need to pay attention to where your fingers are because you will stab yourself and it will hurt. So I'm grateful that those are little leather mitts to cover your fingers are there. So then we have needles, we have hot glue sticks. I'm not sure what the hot glue sticks are for yet. We have, these are also jewelry findings. So those black and clear things are the phone plugs. You put them in your phone where your headset would go, and then you can dangle a charm off of it if you wanted to. So it hangs out the bottom of your phone or at the top if that's what you're looking for. The circle is, you put it on like a ring, and it's like a pair of pliers. It helps you open and close the metal circles. I forget what they're called. Oh my goodness. Anyways, it helps you with your jewelry findings if you turn this into any type of keychain or anything like that. So this is what you would use. It's a single needle, and it's what you would use to basically do the stabbing for your needle felting. And that's an awl, so sometimes you need an awl to get in there. And for the bigger projects, now what I'm unwrapping here is like a 5 or 6 needle, 7 needle, I don't know how many needles are in there, but it's a multi-needle handle that allows you to stab a larger area. So thanks for watching. The second part will be coming out so that I can get these videos out. There will be 3 parts here so that we will be able to talk more about needle felting. And I'll see you guys in the next video.